The only 3 funnel systems that you will ever need to build a wildly successful information product business. Maybe you've been hearing the term sales funnels being used a lot as the latest marketing and online marketing buzzwords. And you might be wondering, all these systems and all this technology that goes behind it, will I ever be able to master them? It sounds like a complicated mumbo jumbo. Hey, today I'm going to actually break down the myth that setting up your funnel system is tough and is complicated. Actually, sales funnel is nothing but basically just a sales process that will take you from being a stranger, okay, all the way to being a prospect and finally turning them to become a customer who will purchase your products and service. As simple as that. And if you're first starting out in the industry, the whole sales funnel concept, I know that it can be intimidating. It can even be confusing. However, in this video, I'll break down the step-by-step and the 3 most important funnel systems that you ever need to have, right, in order to help you to promote your information product business. Hey, if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Nelson Chow. I create this channel to serve people like you on the areas of digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and personal development. So do hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so that you'll be getting more videos like this in the future. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into it. Funnel number 1 is actually the sales funnel. I've already talked about what a sales funnel is, and there are actually 3 parts to the sales funnel. Number 1 is your sales page. Your sales page is where people actually learn about who you are and what you sell. Okay, this is where you are describing your past journey, your story of how you hit the wall and how you have overcome that barrier, and you come up with this amazing discovery about this product that you are going to sell to them. Okay, this is basically what your sales copy or your sales page all about. And typically, your sales page is catering to people who are from the cold traffic, who have never heard about you, they've never heard about your product, and that is what a sales page is for. Okay, it's to educate people on who you are and what your product and service can do for them. Number 2 is your order page. This is where people purchase your course and you deliver testimonial videos and results. It is not a complicated page. It is basically a form for them to put in all their details, personal details and credit card details. You want to give maybe 3 to 4 testimonial videos just to help those who are on the fence, to push them over the fence and make that buying decision. And typically this is targeting the warmer market who have heard about you, who have read your sales page or watched your sales video, and they are kind of interested in your product and service. That is why they land on that order page in the first place. Number 3 is your thank you page. This is where people go after they have made their purchase. And this is also where you deliver your membership information, such as how they can access their course, what to expect once they have purchased, what email you're going to send them, and so on and so forth. You may actually install your event pixels on each of these pages in order to help you to track down and identify those who have visited your sales page, your order page, as well as your delivery or your thank you page. You may want to install your event pixels on each of these pages to help you track down and identify those who have visited your sales page, your order page, and your thank you page. It will be valuable data to help you to identify those who have visited your sales page and order page but have not made the purchase, or those who have visited your thank you page and have already made a purchase. This data is invaluable because it tells you how you can interact with them further. Okay, funnel number 2 is your membership funnel. This is where people can log in with their purchase email and password. The access information should be automatically assigned to them when they purchase. And they will then be able to access a series of videos that you've recorded. You may also include audio MP3s as bonuses and the transcript documents to your videos to add value to your customers as well. You can add relevant manuals, other templates, and as well as checklists and other information that you think will supplement your videos well. You can host it all on this platform. You may host all your videos either on platforms such as Vimeo and Wistia, which are the paid platforms, or you can do it on free options like YouTube. However, if you are not tight on budget, I would not suggest that you host them on YouTube, because that will give them the ability to go to these other platforms, which will be distractions. Instead of watching you and your product, they might go and watch other suggested videos instead. So do not go for YouTube unless you are really tight on budget when you are starting out. All right, so after you have hosted your videos on these platforms, you can embed the links on your membership funnel. Funnel number 3, your webinar funnel. And typically a webinar funnel is used to promote courses that are more than $497 in prices. Webinar funnel, let me tell you what, it is your silent, relentless, never-ending workforce that can make you a lot of money even while you are sleeping. It will help you to spread your message every second of every minute of every day. And I understand how it might look daunting technologically. However, once you master the skill of setting up your webinar funnel, it can be automated to actually play every 15 minutes, all day, every day. Those who see the invitation to the webinar will be able to view it just in time. You may couple this with one-on-one calls to close high-ticket sales as well. This is typically what is known as high-ticket application funnel. But you do not need to worry about that. This is just one additional thing that you can do to help you boost your online course sales, especially when you want people to make appointment with your sales rep or with yourself to talk further about the opportunity that you have just offered to them. There are many benefits to a well-crafted webinar presentation. Okay, among the few, number 1 is to help you validate and edify you as someone who is worth listening to. This is where you may share your stories about your past struggles and how you might be able to relate to the same pain factors that your audience is facing in their life right now. And then the second one is to entice and to engage the viewers to stay throughout the presentation. Nowadays, people's attention span is getting shorter and shorter. Through your webinar funnel, you want to be able to get them to stay all the way till the end. And the way you do that is to actually, you can offer them a bonus that they're going to get, maybe an ebook or maybe a special report if they are to stay through all the way till the presentation. Okay, you are offering them an ethical bribe. Then the third one is to teach them just enough through your webinar to understand how amazing the opportunity is. Remember, you are presenting a new opportunity here, not an improvement offer. If you're offering an improvement offer, this is something that they're already accustomed to. They might not think of it as something that is as valuable as the new vehicle or the new opportunity that you're offering to them through the webinar. And in your webinar, do not make the mistake of teaching too much. If your audience feel like they're getting too much information, they will not be interested to buy your products or services anymore. So for that reason, I would suggest that you do not teach the how-to section of your solution. If you do that, they will feel like they get it already and they will not want to pursue a further journey with you. However, what you want to do through the webinar is to teach the why and the what section of your solution instead. If this is done right, this will actually make people hungry for more of your solutions, and that will be what will push them to buy your products and your services. And then the next one is to actually use your webinar to offer the framework of your solution. And the framework is important to help them to see the overall big picture of the solution, the step-by-step solution that you're offering to them. And you are showing them a roadmap of where they are right now, point A, which is starting from their pain factor, to where their desired results will be, which is point B, where this is a pleasure center where they are going to be able to get all that they want to achieve through buying your products and services. Your framework solution will also give them the milestones of all the important steps that they need to achieve in order to get to their desired results faster and effectively. And the last one is to use your webinar, okay, in order to promote your product through offering your value stacks and bonuses. And if you know how to couple this with genuine time-based scarcity, you will be able to incentivize people to make their buying decisions soon. Okay, there are many funnel builder platforms that are available in the market right now. There are platforms such as Kajabi, there are Clickfunnels, and there is Clickfunnels, which is the one that I recommend and the one that I personally use. And with good funnel builder platforms, what they have done for you is they have done all the heavy lifting for you. You do not need to worry about the technology part. They have already figured all that for you. You just need to concentrate on creating your products and how to promote it to your target audience. ClickFunnels, out of so many, is the one that I prefer the most because I believe that it's a one-stop shop. Everything is integrated in ClickFunnels. All the funnel systems that I mentioned in this video, they're available inside of ClickFunnels. All that you need to do is just click on a few buttons, edit certain things that are available in the templates that they give, and voila, you do not need to actually hire expensive programmers or coders to custom design your web pages or funnels for you anymore. And ClickFunnels also comes with many pre-designed funnel templates that you can just duplicate and edit for your personal use. I cannot tell you how much time and effort that you can save by just using this platform. Yes, you will need to pay a monthly subscription fee to ClickFunnels, but think of it like paying rent. If you are running a brick and mortar business, you have to pay a lot of rent. Hey, when I'm running my retail business in the F&B industry, yes, I run a chain of restaurants. I come to an epiphany moment where the cheapest rent that I'm paying in one of the malls that I operate my business in is equivalent to actually the cost of the entire years of subscription to ClickFunnels. 1 month equivalent to 1 year of rental on ClickFunnels. If you do everything right, ClickFunnels will actually give you this opportunity to generate money while you sleep. So I would say that it is worthy of your investment. And if you are not sure whether ClickFunnels is the right thing for you, they do offer this 2-week free trial as well. So you can go in, subscribe to it, and just play around with all the features in there and see if you like it or not. And if you like it, you can then subscribe to them. Hey, if you are interested to check it out, you may check on the description down below the link to the ClickFunnels where you can set up your account for free, and you can choose to go for your subscription, the paid subscription later on if you like it. So have you ever thought of getting a funnel builder system? Or are you actually currently using one right now? Let me know what is your experience with it down below. I would love to hear from you. And if this is your first time coming across this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, I will encourage you to do so. Ring the bell so that you'll be getting another video just like this, and you'll be notified every time it is done. I do post videos like this weekly, and I read every comment that is being posted, as I would like to interact and engage with my audience more. I hope that you've enjoyed our time together. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video. And until we meet again in our next video, I would like to remind you to break free of all your limits, be the best version of yourself that you can, and impact the world today.